Hello, and this is my video recording for Project 1 Project Wiki for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. As you can see on the screen here, this is my Wikipedia page that I created, where you can see all the different pages that I have, the search button, the home button, create new page button, and the random page button. So to begin, let's go by showing how the URL path takes you to the pages that you want. So let's say, for example, we want to go to the CSS page. If we were to type in /wiki/CSS, we would be taken to the CSS page. On top of this, instead of CSS, if we want to type in HTML, then we would be taken to the HTML page. But let's say, for example, we want to be going to a page that does not exist. So let's call it CS50. If we were to type in CS50, then we would say entry not found, and you would not be able to find a page for that. If we go back to our home pages, you can see all the different pages that we have that you can click on the links and you'll be taken to those pages. So you have CSS, Django, Git, HTML, and Python. Now, if you want to create a new page, then you can do that by going to the Create New Page button. So let's call this title CS50. And let's say for the content, this is my CS50 project. Now, if we were to click the create button, then our page will be created. And as you can see, we're in the /wiki/CS50 URL, and it showcases that this is my CS50 project. If we go to our home page, then we can also see the CS50 page. And if we click on the link, we'll be taken to our CS50 page. On top of this, instead of having to create a new page, you can always just edit a page as well. So if we say edit CS50, then we can say this is my CS50 project, and I can just type hello world. Now, if I save changes to the content, then hello world will appear. If I go back to home and I refresh and come back to the CS50 page, I will still be shown that this is my CS50 project, hello world. On top of this, for our search bar, instead of having to type in the full name for any of your searches for the pages, you can type in a couple letters and it'll show things in common. So let's say we want to find our Python page, but instead of typing Python, we just type in YTH. Then we will be shown the search results that contain the letters YTH, and that's Python. You can then click on the link and you'll be brought to the Python page. If we do anything that has an A and N, then the only result for that is Django. And then we can click on the Django link and be taken to the Django page. Again, you can edit it. There's hyperlinks that will take you to different pages if they're talked about. And you can always see them again on your home page. Lastly, the thing to check out is the random page. So anytime we click the random page link, we will be taken to a random page. So for example, if we click random page, as you can see, we're taken to the Python page. If you click it again, we're now taken to the HTML page. And if we click it again, we're taken to the Git page and so on. So as many times as you click it, you'll be taken to a random page. So this is my Project 1 Project Wiki for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. Thank you for listening.